Daddy's coming home tonight. Are you happy? Huh? Are you baking biscuits? Taylor, Daddy's coming home. He missed you. Did you miss Daddy? Yeah. Are you gonna miss me? Taylor, you're not gonna sing today? Hi, baby. Hi. What do you think? Huh? Daddy's gonna be happy to see you. You're not gonna talk today? You were a while ago. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Taylor, say hi, Daddy. Hi, baby. Oh, Taylor, that's so nice. Oh, yes. Taylor, can you sing? Say, Taylor. Taylor, hi, baby. Hi, baby. No. No. Okay. We're just going to cuddle today. All right. Say bye-bye, Daddy. See you soon. Say I love you.